Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Are you looking for easy hairstyle but beautiful to style for your princess? Watch this video while I walk you through on how to style this hairstyle. It's back here. I'm going to section it from this down to the other side. When I'm done doing this, I'm going to section the back into three, and which these three I'm going to be doing the twisting, and each one is going to carry two twisting. Before I twist, I first of all use rubber band to hold the down, which is a black rubber band, so it's going to give me 6 strands of hair. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to section another part from one side to the other side, and I'm going to section this part right now into 5. So just keep watching and see how we do this part. So before I started this hair, I used hair moisturizer, and I use rosemary water to spray the hair. That's why you see and this way to enable you to detangle the hair, to prevent the hair from damaging. Like, if you really want to know how to maintain this hair, watch this video till the end, and also check out the description section for more information about how to maintain this hairstyle. So after packing the hair, you see the way I'm taking it now. So I take the first one, I hold it with the first one there, and the middle one I take it to the second one. Then I'm going to take this last one and cross it to this side. So this will give me the exact style that I'm looking for, which is 2 is going to end up with 1. See the way I pack it now? So I'm going to twist these 5. So we're done with that. So in this front here, I drop a little at the side, which is the one I'm going to weave front. So, and now I'm going to just part a little tiny out. I'm going to weave this one straight there before I do the big one. So this hairstyle is so easy, and I hope you are following my hand the way I'm doing it. So, and yeah, and this China jam I use as usual, like I always say, I will drop it in the comment section or the description section. So, and feel free to be trying different kind of hair gel, because you never can tell when the one you like to use might be out of stock, so you don't end up like I don't know which one to use. So after sectioning this tiny part, I just weave it straight down. So this is how, the same way I weave the other side. My great supporters, thank you so much for your support. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video, and I hope I see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. To returning subscriber, I will say thank you so much for your endless support. So guys, after doing that straight cornrow back, so I'm gonna use rubber band to just hold all these ones here, and I'm going to end up weaving it. So the first part I took from the front, I didn't use rubber band, I just weave it like that. So I'm going to start taking before I put it, I'm going to like weave it completely, then yeah, just like so. Now I'm going to start using it to weave this one on top of it. So this way is going to just give me the kind of style that I want. So you won't even know there is rubber band down of it. So how do you achieve this hair? When you want to weave it, don't weave the way you pack it. Don't just take it one, like share that one like into 3, and when you are weaving it, and keep taking from the other one. Just be taking it as if you are weaving the hair you did not pack. So this is how you will get this kind of style. So I hope you understand the way I'm explaining it. While you are listening to me, also just be following my hand. And yeah, this side here, I'm going to weave it down because I'm going to pull beads. So this are hair, I just use a natural hair all through. I didn't add any artificial hair to it. It's a natural hair. But in case you want to make this kind of hairstyle for your child and the hair is not this long, you can always add either a session braid or what's it called, you can kicking afro. So any hair of your choice you can just add to it. It's what happened at the back. So you see this tool that is aside here, I forgot to add it to it, so that is why I added it to it later. So but I left one behind, so just watch and see how I'm going to do it. So this front here, you can either do it straight. You see the way I pack it aside, and I'm going to pack the other one to the other side. I just want this the look to just look the style to look bend, so that is why I do the section. After I section it straight, but the packing was kind of bend because I just want to just do something different. You know, I always like to do something like special, different, and all that. So you can do it. You can do yours straight. You can do it bend. You can even weave it. So anyhow you want it. But yeah, it's just optional. You know, and this is how it is. This is just the style. So this middle here, which the one I'm packing right now, you can also make it a bit smaller or even bigger. Is optional, guys. So after that, I packed all the hair here. So this is all just it. So this is the hair I ordered from Temu. I'm not promoting them, I'm just saying it. So this hair is the kind of hair you can use like after doing braid, you just like sew it to it. So I didn't really like to do it, so I just decided to just use it for her. But I'm so glad I did, because the hair came out so beautiful. Like the hair came out really well. I was just rolling it. I'm going to need about 3 hair packer. So I used one already. So I'm still going to use this one now to hold it just like this. No sewing, no pin. Hold it. After you hold it with 2 or 3 packer, depends on how you know that it's strong enough. Draw the hair out. Keep drawing it. Just keep drawing it until you get the way you want it. Then after that, just put anything to beautify the hair. Voila, we are good to go. You see, this is just the style we decided to make today. So I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed, and bye for now. Love you guys. One love. Bye.